already.
That is a fact. We're going to not be doing much fishing today.
I think I'm gonna put my bibs on before we keep going.
My crotch is soaked.
You might want to get.
We gotta get to the other side where it's not windy.
Alright, but you know what? This time slow it down a little bit.
Oh, we gotta get on plane. Fucking ride these fuckers. Yeah, from the parking lot there. Look for the bilge on.
Yeah, you might want to turn the bilge on.
Water out. My freaking ass is going.
Make sure that thing's down good.
Not fucking sign up for this.
There's a Jesus handle there, not my damn leg next time.